So who's ready to see the whole quilt come together? 9 months ago we started the Flyaway Puzzle Mystery Quilt by Cotton Cuts. I did the Flamingo colorway and I'm ready to see it all come together. So what about you? So I've teased you long enough. Let's take a look at the completed quilt. And I must say, this is one of my favorites so far. So let me give you a good look at this, and then I'll put a photo up afterwards to give you a better look, because it's not easy to show it in this format here. I think I say this every time, but this is probably one of my favorites. This is not a colorway I would have chosen for myself. This was one that Cotton Cuts picked out for me, and I'm so glad that the team over there did that for me, because I always like to be challenged, and this is a good way for them to do that. Let someone else pick it for me and give me a colorway that I wouldn't normally choose, because if I did, I'd probably pick the batiks every time, and that's what I'm doing this next one anyway, but that's a lot of fun. If you are wanting to get in on the action, then sign-ups for the new one is in December, so it's only a few weeks away. So keep an eye on the Cotton Cuts page, Cotton Cuts site, to look at all the beautiful colorways. I don't have that information right yet, but we should all see that very, very soon. Thank you so much for joining me in this project. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button on the way out. Tell a friend. I always love hearing comments from my viewers. Let me know what colorway you did, and if you plan on joining in, or if you've participated in the past. Hope you'll have a great day. Happy sewing, and we'll see you all real soon. Bye.